things are stupid. Really long day, actually. 2-hour bus ride to the R&D center for this company, after which we went for a pretty heavy dinner, so we're all feeling it right now. But now it's time to head out for probably the first real touristy thing that we've done this entire trip. I realized I didn't have any footage of you yet.
Hi. So here's the deal about me. My name's Jimmy. My birthday is in October. I was born in 1991. That makes me 25 years old. Almost 26. That's right, almost 26. I really love dogs. I have the cutest pug that's ever lived. His name is Melvin. He's 13. I also like long walks on the beach if there are any, ladies out there.
As he displays his wedding ring on camera.
I like long walks on the beach with my wife. That's what I was about to say.
So if you'd like to join. Alright, so change of plans. We did not go to the cultural center, which is fine. We're here at our favorite bar in the hotel, and they play the best music. Best music.
Everybody sent their best sticker.
Italian food in Shenzhen, China is going to be a thing in a second. Forward to vlogging from the Philippines though, because I haven't been in 20 years.
That's for, is that for personal?
Yeah. Jim? Thank you very much. I thought the food was pretty good.
It's about 7-something peanut walk around. I think we saw like a working girl finishing up her shift.
Oh wow. Alright, I know this is going to be a little bit weird, but I'm going to have a towel around my neck for the next, let's say, hour, I want to say. Well, I'm going to be meeting up with a friend of ours that we have here in Shenzhen, and he's going to be taking us to what is basically a bit of a hike. And we're doing this basically at 10 p.m. So that we can get a little bit of our own personal sightseeing done outside of this whole tour that we've been doing and outside of the group that we've been with. How's it going, dude? It's all right. Glad to see you're feeling better. So we're gonna take a left from here, and once we pass the Shangri-La, we just let them know that we're at the Shangri-La and go from there. All right, so we're just waiting for Joseph to show up. Oh, this is Ricky again. What's up? It is hot out.
It is very hot.
So we brought our own supplies. I have a medium towel. He's the one who brought water. I'm just gonna end up sweating so much that I have to like be disgusting. Alright, so somehow the person who lives here is the one who doesn't have data, so it's hard for us to pinpoint exactly where it is. We think we might have just gone one street too far, so we're gonna double back and see what happens.
Made it.
Yeah, finally fucking made it. We gotta do better than that. There you go, there, got a lot better. Alright, you're coming out shirtless, you're already sweating. I'm sweating a little.
Extremely hot. That t-shirt will be a mess by the time we're finished.
Oh yeah, well it'll wick, so It won't be so bad.
As long as you've got your sweat rag, you're alright.
You should put your towel on your waist because that's just gonna make you hotter.
It did earlier, yeah.
About 26 degrees, I think, isn't it?
Oh, you're asking the wrong person.
I don't speak Celsius.
Oh yes. It'll be a bit better. It's a bit better in the park when you get away from all the concrete.
Yeah.
This concrete holds so much heat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, you went to Shark, right?
I didn't go to Shark.
Shark
the
is
rest of us did. Shark is pretty good.
It's super spendy.
Oh yeah. No, that you need to wipe your lens because it's foggy. That's why you gotta
That's-
glow.
Are you sure it's not because of all the pollution that there's in there?
No, that too. So the best part is how the lens is always getting foggy.
Oh, because it's just so humid.
Yeah. Well, it's a nice glow behind me. But the best part is our night's not over yet. We are trying to get up there.
Oh no, they're still on. They're still on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Lights are still on up there, so that's good. Still people walking around too.
There'll probably be like 10 people up there.
Okay.
Hold on, they got snacks.
Bro.
I'm hungry.
Have you got any change?
Yeah, I have some.
Could you grab me a bottle of water, please?
You know what? Me too.
My WeChat's cut off.
I got these chocolate wafers down here.
There's wafers. Those sticks are alright.
And then how do I finish? Cancel?
Yeah. Useful, eh?
Yeah.
Where'd it go? There's.
Or no?
We can take a different way down. It's longer, but it's a big wide road. It's not like narrow, so there'll be no snakes there. There won't be any snakes, you know. Like, don't worry. Like, there's
I'm
no
not
way.
worried.
There's no fucking way a snake is gonna, you know. They just, as soon as they hear that, they'll be gone.
There's a lot of steps, but we're here. I feel like I just did a Kali class.
It is the best view in Shenzhen, mate.
It really is.
Wow. Appreciate you bringing this.
Yeah, for sure.
And you burn a good 500 calories.
Who is this up
Deng
here?
Xiaoping.
Uh-huh.
So Deng Xiaoping basically opened up Shenzhen to foreign trade.
Oh, okay.
So Shenzhen is what it is today because of that guy.
So this really is like the main spot to be.
Yeah, it's the most important place in Shenzhen, basically.
So that's a corporate building? It's not a residential building?
It's not residential, no.
Of course not. No one would be able to sleep in there.
But it'd kind of suck being across the street, eh? Look at that little guy down there on the right. Look, there's like a little building with a little red circle on the top of it. You watch it when it changes colour. Look, doom. It's like, look, doom. Every single window, your entire fucking apartment would just be fully illuminated with every colour change.
Yeah, it's okay. Going up the uneven stairs, they fuck with you a little bit. But it's going down where you're like, do I have to short step, long step?
Yeah. It's like, it's one short step, one long step. You kind of
Someone back then was like, this is design.
Yeah, it's artsy. Don't love it.
Oh, actually, I'm not I'm not as sweaty as I thought it would be.
I'm pretty sweaty, right?
Oh, okay.
I bet I'm really sweaty.
I'm really used to it from my. There you go. We should take a picture actually. This is what happens when you need to have your as he says phone torches on all the time. We call them flashlights.
I think torches.
It's a cooler name. It's a cooler
It
way.
is.
It's a cooler thing to say. So we're right here. It's not that much of a hike, but it was definitely tough in this humidity. It was a good thing to do. Near midnight, last night in Shenzhen. Right there, that's where we was. All right, it is now past 1 o'clock in the AM, and it's time for me to, well, pack and get what could be 2 to 3 hours of sleep because we have to get up at 4. Well, maybe we don't have to get up at 4, but we have to leave this hotel at 5:30 because our flight is at 7:30 AM. Fun times.